Hi everyone, it's Ivor. Today I'll show you how to add a quote to a Word document. I've got a blank document here, completely empty. I'll type in some text so that we can add a quote by going to References. Here we have the Add Citation option. You can add it as a new source, a placeholder, or just add it directly. So we enter it here, fill out the form, all right? And just like that, we've added the quote. You can also edit it in different ways through the bibliography here. You can also choose a style, just like this. Style. Okay, there are plenty of styles here, and it will change accordingly. That's it for now. This was Ivor. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.